Hello everyone, this is Shashank Mishra and we'll be studying tractor and farm equipments and different types of machineries involved in the agriculture. So let's start with the basic definition, which is agriculture equipments. Agriculture equipments is any kind of machinery used on farm to help with farming. So these are the dedicated machineries with designed such that the farming can be made easy and it can be made more productive. We'll see how these machineries are made and how do they look like and what are the uses of different kind of machineries. So let's start with some of the knowledge about the uses of these machineries. Farm tools and machines have various roles in agriculture among others. Let's study what are the various roles that are served by these machineries. First of all, it provides power to area of labor shortage. See, during the farming, we have frequently faced that there is problem of worker or labor shortage. As such, these machineries are very helpful. They do the same quality of work in less time. Anticipate interest in working agriculture continues to decline. So it also anticipates a declining interest of agriculture, working interest of agriculture. Improves work capacity, so widespread planting care and cropping intensity can be increased. It basically means it increases the productivity. The fourth point is improve the quality and uniformity of the process so that the accuracy and reliable result as well as quality assured. See, uniformity means it produces uniformly same amount of crops throughout the field. It maintains the uniformity. Secondly, the accuracy is met, like it produces sufficient amount of crop from a particular farm every year. These are the different kinds of machineries used in agriculture. Now let's have a look at the list. First one is tractor, then sprayer, combine, cotton harvester, field cultivators, cutters, shredders, ATV. ATV stands for all-terrain vehicles, scrappers, planters, seeders, plows, and etc. We have a number of machineries as we can see. Now we'll have a brief discussion about the brief introduction, about these machineries named so far. Now let's start with the tractor. See, look at the picture. The tractor is a four-wheeled vehicle. It is designed such that the front wheels are quite smaller than the rear wheels, and it is so designed that it can work on different kind of tracks and leveled or unleveled ground, and power output is the main work that we obtain from this tractor. It delivers sufficient amount of power that can be used for various agricultural works. Let's see what is the description that is provided here. A tractor is a vehicle intended for drawing, towing, pushing or pulling something which cannot propel itself and often powering to. See, this is a vehicle designed for drawing, towing, pushing or pulling something that cannot propel itself. See, the machinery and the equipment that cannot propel itself, we employ a tractor to do those jobs. Now let's study the next machine, which is a sprayer. A sprayer is basically something that sprays pesticides or herbicides and sometimes fertilizers. Now look at the photo that they have attached. The black color arms are the sprayer arms. They are movable arms and they spray the medicine to a large area. See, a sprayer is a piece of agricultural equipment used primarily to apply herbicides, pesticides and fertilizer to agricultural crops. So they apply herbicides, pesticides and fertilizers to agricultural crops. Herbicides are the medicines, or the you can call it vaccines, used to kill those herbs which are unnecessary in the crop field. So these are terms as herbicides. Similarly, pesticides are pest control medicines or vaccines. They are used to kill the unwanted pest or insects within the crop that eat away the crop and let's decreases the productivity. Fertilizers, on the other hands, are supporters of agricultural crops. So different crop require different kinds of fertilizers. Urea is one example of fertilizers. So this is a machinery which is used for spraying. We call it as sprayer. So this is all for today, and we'll continue about different kinds of machineries in the next class. Thank you.